Good morning, students. Now let us continue the proper trigonometry, in which we can find the values of t functions of angle at multiple and submultiples of angles. In the last class we have done a lot of questions. Today we are going to start question from on the page page 9.7. I am reading the question. Example 9. There are two parts. First part you can do by yourself. Second part I am doing. Second part is NCERT exemplar. Second part is NCERT exemplar. Now I am reading the question. Prove that sin raised to power 4 pi by 8 plus sin raised to power 4 3 pi by 8 plus sin raised to power 4 5 pi by 8 plus sin raised to power 4 7 pi by 8 equal to 3 by 2. Sin raised to the power 4 pi by 8 plus sin raised to the power, first part you have to do by yourself, 3 pi by 8 plus odd terms sin raised to the power 5 pi by 8 plus sin raised to the power 7 pi by 8 is equal to, you have to bring it as 3 by 2. Now you can compare these two terms. Which term we can take these two terms? First of all, let us take sin raised to the power sin 7 pi by 8. Sin 7 pi by 8 can be written as sin 4 7 pi by 8. 7 pi by 8 can be written as sin raised to the power 4 pi minus pi by 8. So one step will get reduced. Sin pi minus pi by 8 in second quadrant. Second quadrant sin is positive. Since it is in terms of pi, ratio will remains as it is. That is sin raised to the power 4 pi by 8. Similarly, sin raised to the power 4 5 pi by 8 can be written as sin raised to the power pi minus 3 pi by 8. See, again 5 pi by 8 is coming. Again in second quadrant, sin is positive. It is in terms of pi. Same ratio will come. That is sin raised to the power 3 pi by 8. These two terms these two steps are very important. Now let us start from LHS. Let us start LHS equal to sin raised to the power 4 pi by 8 plus first two terms will remain as it is because we have changed third and fourth term 3 pi by 8. This will become again sin raised to power 3 pi by 8 plus sin raised to power 7 pi by 8 is sin raised to power pi by 8 from the previous steps. That is 2 sin raised to the power pi by 8 plus 2 sin raised to power 4 3 pi by 8. You can take 2 common, which becomes 2 into sin raised to the power 4 pi by 8 plus sin raised to the power 4 3 pi by 8. And this can be taken as sin square whole square, that is 2 into sin square pi by 8 whole square plus sin square 3 pi by 8 whole square. Now why we are converting in sin square form? Because we know that 1 minus cos x equal to 1 minus cos 2 equal to 2 sin square x. That becomes this, if you take this can be 2 cos sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Therefore cos 2x equal to sin 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. जब भी आपको प्रॉब्लम आप लिख कर देखिए, implies sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. ये फॉर्मूला आएगा. That is, this can be written as 1 minus cos 2x. Cos 2x is cos 2 into pi by, that is pi by 4 by 2 whole square. That is first term. 1 minus cos pi by 4 whole square by 2 whole square. Here 1 minus cos 3 pi by 4, just half of the angle. Cos 3 by pi by 4 by 2 whole square. And 2 is the outside of the bracket. Now if you take 2 square outside, you get 2 by 4 and 1 minus cos pi by 4. 1 minus cos pi by 4 is cos 45, 1 by root 2 degree, 1 by root 2 plus cos 3 pi by 4. How we can change this again? Cos 3 pi by 4 can be written as cos pi minus pi by 4. That in second quadrant cos is negative, that is minus cos pi by 4. So that becomes 1 plus 1 by root 2 whole square. That means this step you must know, no need of showing it. That means if you change it's 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2 minus, I opening by a minus b whole square minus root 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus root 2. These are getting cancelled. You will get 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2. And you are asked to prove it is the given question is equal to 3 by 2, that is RHS. This second part we have done. First part is also same pattern. In first part you are given cos. If cos is given, cos square 2x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. You have to use that formula. Next question is example 10, page number 9.8. I am reading the question. Prove that cos square, first there are two parts. I will do first part, second part you have to do by yourself. First part is cos square x plus 2 pi by 3 plus cos square x minus 2 pi by 3 equal to 12. First part. Second part is homework. I am reading the question. Cos square x plus cos square x plus 2 pi by 3 plus cos square x minus 2 pi by 3. You have to prove this as is equal to 3 by 2. Now let us start from LHS. LHS, I am not writing again. You can write this. If you multiply and divide it by 2, each term will be of the form 2 cos square x. That is 1 by 2 into 2, in order to apply the formula, 2 cos square x plus 2 cos square x plus 2 pi by 3 plus 2 cos square x minus 2 pi by 3. Now you can use the formula 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x, that is 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2x plus 1 plus cos 2x. I am taking the 2 inside the angle 2x plus 4 pi by 3. And let me check. Plus next is 1 plus cos 2x minus 4 pi by 3. I am avoiding one step. That means 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 is 3 plus cos 2x. You leave as it is. First of all, let us solve these two. Cos c plus cos b, that is cos 2x plus 4 pi by 3 plus cos 2x minus 4 pi by 3, that is cos c plus cos b, that is cos c plus cos b is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, that is 1 by 2 into 3 plus cos 2x plus 2 cos c plus d by 2, 4x by 2, that is cos 2x, and cos c minus d by 2, that is 2x will cancel, 8x by 3, that is if you change it 8x by 6, that is cos 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3. Now this is 1 by 2 into 3. You have to cancel these two terms, then you will get 3 by 2. 1 by 2 into 3 plus cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x. Cos 4 pi by 3, again you can written as pi minus pi by 3, that is minus cos pi by 3 minus cos 60 is minus 1 by 2. These are getting cancelled. That is 1 by 2 into 3 plus cos 2x minus cos 2x. Both are getting cancelled. You will get 3 by 2 itself, that is equal to RHS. In this way you can use the formula 2 cos square x equal to 1 plus cos x by 2. Similarly 2 sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. This formula is very important for next year in the class 12. Next question we are doing is example 11, page number 9.9. There are 4 parts. All questions are from NCERT. I will do first and fourth part. The remaining you can do by yourself. I am reading the question. Prove that sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x upon cos 5x minus cos x equal to tan x. Sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x upon cos 5x minus cos x is equal to tan x. You have to prove. That means this 3x, 5x, everything will get to be changed. If you take these two terms together and apply sin c plus sin d, sin 3x will come common. sin 5x और sin x को साथ में लेंगे, sin c plus sin d लगाएंगे तो आपको sin 3x कॉमन आएगा. Here you can use cos c minus cos d. That means sin 5x plus sin x. This ये सब आपको प्रैक्टिस से मिलेगा, बिना प्रैक्टिस नहीं मिलेगा. एक क्वेश्चन 2-4 बार करना पड़ेगा. Cos 5x minus cos x. Now apply the formula sin c plus sin d, that is 2 sin c plus d by 2, 5x plus x by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, 5x minus x by 2 into minus 2 sin 3x is there in the numerator. Denominator is cos c minus cos, this is cos d minus cos c हो गया, तो minus 2 sin 5x plus x by 2 into sin cos d minus cos d, दोनों साइन में आएगा 5x minus x by 2. That is 2 sin 3x into cos 2x minus 2 sin 3x upon minus 2 sin 3x into sin 2x. Now what we will get? Now 2 sin 3x will get cancelled. This is cos, if you take कॉमन लेना था, मैं एक साथ काट रहा हूँ, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. दैट इज cos 2x minus 1 upon sin 2x. 1 minus sign is coming here, sin 2x. That means नीचे माइनस साइन था तो 1 minus cos 2x upon sin 2x. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. 2 sin square x. And sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x by using the formula sin 2 theta. Getting cancelled. That is sin x by cos x is equal to tan x. That is equal to r. This is the first part. Now, तो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको इस चीज को ध्यान रखना है. sin 3x और sin 5x और sin x को साथ में कंपेयर करेंगे तब sin 3x कॉमन आएगा. वो प्रैक्टिस करने से आएगा. खूब प्रैक्टिस करना, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री है, कभी छोड़ना नहीं. Next, fourth part is prove that tan 5x plus tan 3x upon tan 5x minus tan 3x equal to 4 cos 2x cos 4x. That is fourth part, tan 3x, tan 5x plus tan 3x upon tan 5x minus tan 3x is equal to, you have to prove 4 cos 2x cos 4x. Now let us start from LHS. This is LHS. LHS को क्या चेंज कर सकते हैं? साइन बाय कॉस में चाहिए, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इन कॉस इन RHS. दैट इज साइन 5x बाय कॉस 5x प्लस साइन 3x बाय cos 3x. दैट इज न्यूमरेटर. डिनोमिनेटर इज sin 5x by cos 5x minus sin 3x by cos 3x. By taking LCM will get cancelled. Cos 3x, sorry. Cos 3x, cos 5x, cos 3x, cos 5x will get cancelled. By cross multiplication, you get sin 5x cos 3x plus sin 3x cos 5x whole upon sin 5x cos 3x. Just this minus sign will come, minus sin 3x cos 5x. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, that is sin A plus B. Sin 5x plus 3x sin A minus B sin 5x minus 3x. That is sin 8x upon sin 2x. Now how can you change sin 8x? Sin 8x can be written as sin 2 into 4x upon sin x. So that 2 के फॉर्म में आएंगे तो आप sin x 2 sin theta cos theta अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. That is 2 sin 4x cos 4x upon that is sin 2x. This is sin 2x. Sin 2x. Now we want cos 4x. This should not be changed, but we have to change this again. Again, if you change 2 sin 4x, sin 4x you can change as साइन 2 into 2x, that is साइन 4x को क्या लिख सकते हैं, साइन 4x कैन बी रिटन एज साइन 2 into 2x, that is 2 sin 2x cos 2x, so that sin 2x and both sin 2x will get cancelled, that is 2 into 2 sin. ये प्रैक्टिस कर करके आप डायरेक्ट लिखने में आपको आएगा, जब तक प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे कुछ भी नहीं आएगा, तो प्रैक्टिस खूब करते रहना. दिस इज गेटिंग कैंसल, दैट इज 4 cos 2x cos 4x, that is equal to RHS. This is the that you are asked to prove. Next question is very important, little bit typical one. That is question example 12, page number 9.10. Very important NCERT exemplar question again. NCERT exemplar question. I am reading the question. Show that 2 sin square beta plus 4 cos alpha plus beta sin alpha sin beta plus 4 cos 2 alpha plus beta equal to cos 2 alpha. Question is 2 sin square beta plus 4 cos alpha plus beta into sin alpha sin beta into sin alpha sin beta plus cos 2 alpha plus beta cos 2 alpha plus beta is equal to, you have to prove cos 2 alpha. ये प्रूफ करना है आपको. sin 2 sin square beta plus 4 cos alpha plus beta sin alpha sin beta plus cos 2 alpha plus beta equal to cos 2 alpha. Let us start from LHS. This is LHS. Now how can you change LHS? LHS can be changed as 4 cos alpha plus beta, that can be changed 2 into 2, that is 2 sin square beta plus जो change adjustment करना ध्यान से समझना, 2 cos alpha plus beta. I am splitting 2, 1 2 is taking with cos alpha plus beta, 1 2 is taking with 2 sin alpha sin beta, 2 sin alpha sin beta, because you know 2 sin A sin B equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, that is plus cos 2 alpha plus beta. So this step is very important. 1 2 is here, 1 2 is here. That is 2 sin square beta plus 2 cos alpha plus beta. I told you the formula, cos alpha minus beta minus cos alpha plus beta is 2 sin alpha sin beta, and last term will remain as it is, cos 2 alpha plus beta. Now open the bracket, you will get 2 sin square beta plus 2 cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta. By multiplying this, you will get minus 2 cos square alpha plus beta, minus 2 cos square alpha plus beta, 2 cos square alpha, and last term is cos 2 into alpha plus beta. Now cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta is cos square alpha minus sin square beta, that is 2 sin square beta plus 2 into cos square alpha minus sin square beta. Let us now take 2 together so that one step will produce 2 cos square alpha minus 2 sin square beta minus 2 cos square alpha plus beta. Let me check. Minus 2 cos square alpha plus beta. 2 cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x, that is cos 2 alpha plus beta. To cos 2 theta is cos 2 is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, that is 2 cos square alpha plus beta minus 1. 2 sin square beta is getting cancelled, and this 2 cos square alpha plus beta, 2 cos square alpha plus beta is getting cancelled. What is remaining? Question is little bit difficult. That is 2 cos square alpha minus 1 is remaining. That is 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Now 2 cos square alpha minus 1 formula is cos 2 alpha is 2 cos square alpha minus 1, that is equal to RHS. तो इसमें दो चीज ध्यान रखना है. 2 sin A sin B को cos A minus B minus cos A plus B में चेंज करना है. उसके बाद cos A plus B into cos A minus B cos square A minus sin square B लगाना है. cos 2 alpha equal to 2 cos square alpha minus 1 लगाना है. लास्ट में कैंसिल करना है. दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Next question is example 13 you can do as homework. Example 14 also you can do as homework. Example 14 is homework. Very simple question. Now let us go to next topic. How we can find the value of finding values of, this is very important, you can find question and NCERT also, finding values of sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2 if the values of sin x, cos x, tan x are given. How we can find the values of half of the angle of these if the given angle, if you are given sin x, cos x and tan x. Now I am reading first question. Exactly by doing a question you can find the method. Example 15, page number 9.11. I am reading the question. If 0 is less than or equal to 2x, 0 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2 by all the four quadrants. Find sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. First part is if tan x equal to minus 4 by 3, x lies in second quadrant. Minus 4 by 3, x lies in second quadrant. You are given the value of tan x equal to minus 4 by 3, x is in second quadrant means pi by 2 less than x equal to be less than or equal to pi. You have to find sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. In order to find sin x by 2, formula is sin x by 2 equal to plus or minus under root of 1 minus cos x by 2. Cos x by 2 is plus or minus under root of 1 plus cos x by 2. Tan x by 2 is plus or minus under root of 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Now, since x is in first quadrant, second quadrant, sin x is positive, cos x is negative. How we can find cos x? Cos x can be found out using the formula that is 1 upon under root of 1 plus tan square x, that is 1 by sec square x, that is cos square x, plus or minus, that is plus or minus 1 upon under root of 1 plus 16 by 9. If you solve this, you will get as, since x is in second quadrant, cos x is negative, so that becomes minus 3 upon 5. Now we have to find, first of all we have to see in which quadrant x by 2 is coming. Now you are given that x is in lies in second quadrant means pi by 2 less than or equal to x, equal to may not write that upon to you, x less than pi implies you have to half the angle, you have to half all the extremes of the inequalities, that is pi by 4 less than equal to x by 2 less than equal to pi by 2. That means pi by 4 less than equal to x by 2 less than equal to pi by 2 implies which quadrant x by 2 will come, pi by 2 or pi by 4 के बीच में, that is x by 2 belongs to first quadrant. And then all sin x by 2, all ratios are positive. Sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2 is positive, are positive. Now first of all let us find sin x by 2. Sin x by 2 formula is under root of 1 minus cos x by 2, that is under root of 1 minus plus 3 upon 5 upon 2. If you solve this, you will, that is 1 plus root 1 plus 3 upon 5 whole upon 2. If you solve this, you will get as 1 by root 5. That is sin x by 2. Since it is in first quadrant, sin is positive. Now cos x by 2 is under root of 1 plus cos x by 2. That is under root of 1 minus 3 by 5 upon 2. If you solve this, you will get it as 2 upon root 5. Next is tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 is under root of 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x, that is sin x by 2 upon sin x minus 2 cos x by 2, that is sin x by 2 is 1 by root 5, sin is positive, and this is 2 by root 5. If you solve this, you will get, this will 1 minute, the sin x, tan x by 2 is under root of 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. 1 minute. This you have to do that is under root of 1 minus cos x is cos x. The value of cos x is 3 by 5. 1 plus, otherwise you can directly do from sin x by 2 cos x by 2 also. 1 plus 3 by 5 upon 1 minus 3 by 5. If you solve this, you will get the value as 2. This is the first question in which we can find the ratios in half of the angles. The full angle is given. Next question I am doing is third part of the same question. You are given sin x equal to minus 1 by 2. X lies in fourth quadrant. X belongs to fourth quadrant. That means 3 pi by 2. To send your 360 के बीच में 3 pi by 2 less than x less than 2 pi. You are asked to find sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. Now let us start. Sin x, x lies in fourth quadrant means you know that if x is in fourth quadrant, then sin x and tan x are negative and cos x is positive. X belongs to fourth quadrant implies cos x is positive because we want only cos x. Now cos x is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square x, that is under root of 1 minus 1 by 4, that is root 3 by 2. Sin is positive. Now 3 pi by 2 आपको दे रखा है less than x less than 2 pi. You are given by taking half of them, you will get 3 pi by 4 less than x by 2 less than pi. Pi to 3 pi by 4. Pi to 3 pi by 4 means which quadrant? Pi, this is 3 pi by 4. This is 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 to pi. 3 pi by 4 means 3 into 45. That is equal to 135. So 135 to 180 means second quadrant. That implies x by 2 belongs to second quadrant. Second quadrant, sin x by 2 is positive. That is sin x by 2 is positive and cos x by 2 is less than 0 negative and comma tan x by 2 is also less than 0. In this way, इसी तरह आप पहले x by 2 का क्वाड्रेंट देखना, उसके बाद साइन पे ध्यान देना. Now, first of all, find sin x by 2. Sin x by 2 is first of formula under plus or minus under root of 1 minus cos x by 2. Since x by 2 belongs to second quadrant, it is positive. That is under root of 1 minus root 3 by 2 upon 2. That is equal to, the value is typical, under root of root 3 by 2. 2 minus under root 3 upon 2 times 2 आएगा, this 2 minus root 3 by upon under root 4, that is 2. Now cos x by 2 is equal to minus, since it is in second quadrant, under root of 1 plus cos x by 2, it is under root of 1 plus root 3 by 2 upon 2. If you solve this, you will get the value as under root of 2 plus root 3 whole upon 2. I will write upon like this so that you can see. This is cos x by 2. Now third value is tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 is equal to, either you can use the formula sin x by 2 by cos x by 2, that is easy. Sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. Sin x by 2 you got as under root of 2 minus root 3 by 2 upon under root of 2 plus root 3 by 2. Both 2 are getting cancelled. Since it is negative, you have to, since x by 2 in third quadrant it is negative, this becomes minus of this one. ये minus आएगा, that is becomes minus under root of 2 minus root 3 upon under root of 2 plus root 3. If you want to make single under root, that is under root of 2 minus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. In this way you can find the value of sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2 as per the required condition. First of all, you have to find the value of cos x as per given condition. After that, you have to see in which quadrant x by 2 is coming and as per that one you have to put the sign of sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. And there are two parts I have done, and one part, second part you can do as homework. Also example 16, I am reading question. If tan x equal to 3 by 4, pi less than x less than 3 by 2, find the value of sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. This is same as example 15. Example 15 and example 16 are same, but the quadrant is different. You can do this question also by yourself. That means today I have given you more than 3 to 4 questions, near about 3 to 4 questions homework. You have to do all these questions by yourself. Once you watch the video, after that do all the questions without looking the video by yourself, and do the homework also. Next topic is finding the values of trigonometric function for the angles pi by 24, pi by 16, pi by 8. That we will do in the next class. Do all the questions. See you again in the next class. Thank you.